Are you ready?
Ready?
Say, let's go.
Go. One,
Yan ang aming dala. Punong-puno ang wagon.
no.
Maleta and diaper bag. Han, naiwan na natin to.
Daddy, five,
Iwan na?
five,
Okay. Mag-walk ka na lang?
What?
Walk? Okay. Lalaking ko na na si Riley. Riley! Ready for our road trip? Ha, baby ko? Alin? Ang aming little helper. Oh, ha? Nakakapag-vlog pa ako. May hawak pa akong kape niyan. Para-paraan. Ayan. Woohoo! Nice! Good helping si Hailey. Happy Friday. 8:20 kami nakaalis, guys. Ayan. Ready na ang lahat. Si Riley tulog na agad. Si Hailey, yan, marami pang energy. Hindi pa kami nakakaalis sa parkid, hinangatanan niya yung kanyang mga baon.
Siya?
Say hi!
Hi.
Say hi, guys! Kita ka dyan, Hailey. Say happy
Happy
Friday!
day.
Yan, August 7 na, guys. Gusto niya na alcohol. Wag yun. Ito na lang, wipe ka na lang nito ng wipes. Ito. Let's go! Ready na kami. Nagdala na ako ng aking unan dito sa gilid. Yung neck pillow pala, nasaan yun? Siguro sa baba ni Hailey. Naabutan lang kami ng stoplight Ayan na. Hopefully wala masyadong pila sa border. Ito na naman tayo, guys. Border crossing. Ayan. Hindi naman tayo sasabay sa rush hour. Dahil umaga naman tayo na biyahe.
400 meters, slide right
Dahil
onto West
walang long
70th
weekend.
Avenue. Signs for British Columbia Ferries, British Columbia 99 South.
May 2 hours and 46 minutes drive kami. Pero maladagdagan yan, guys. Dahil nga sa waiting time sa border.
British Columbia 99 South. In 600 meters, turn
May
left
gusto
onto Oak
kaming
Street. Signs for Victoria,
puntahan.
USA border.
Na wala dito sa Vancouver. Pero meron sa pupuntahan namin. And let's see.
Empty road beneath the wheels. Dust wind steals a faded fields. Endless lines along the plain. Dark horizon stays the same. Radio waves low and thin. Lonely miles sink deep within. No sign, no light, nowhere to lead.
Ayan na kami. EastR. Ayan yung duty free. Nadaanan natin. Ito na, bibilang natin
Driving
sa
slow
border.
through
Time check,
twilight,
8:56.
wandering in empty days.
Ayan. Madami lang humps. Tingnan natin kung dire-diretso na tayo ng border nito. Hopefully walang pila, guys. Ito, niready ko ng aming passport ulit.
400 meters, continue onto I-5 South.
And magto-turn off na ako ng aking data kasi wala akong US roaming. Makiki-hotspot lang kami kay Harold. Ay! May pilang pabalik ng Canada, guys. Oh. Ito na, dito tayo. Ay, dire-diretso. Ayan na. Tingnan natin. Dito sa Peace Arc. To. Yung Canada flag kasi doon guys, ang ganda. Puro flowers. I mean, ginawa nila na Canada flag yung ano ng mga bulaklak. Kaya ang dami nagbaba-picture.
Continue on I-5 south for 196 kilometers.
Ito, konti lang
Welcome to
guys.
the United States of
Oh.
America.
Okay lang kahit hindi ka naka-Nexus oh. Regular lane. Ilan lang yung kotse ahead of you oh. Saan ka pipila dyan, Han? Pang ilang ka lang dyan? Pangatlo? Sa dulo siya. Ayun pa oh, may isa pa dun oh. Oh, pangatlo ka na. Hindi, pang-apat. Hindi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If ever sa dulo ka, pang-5 tayo. Yan, dyan ka na lang. Ayan. Ito na. Passport. Bigyan natin kay Harold. Dito. Ayan. O, diba guys? Ang ganda magbiyahe pag Friday morning, oh. Magna 9 AM pa lang pero wala masyadong pila. Mabilis dito guys, oh. Nakaandar agad yung isang kotse, eh. Ayan. Ready na kami sa mga sagot ng border officer. And tingnan natin ulit kung anong kanilang mga set of questions ulit. Second time tumawid ng border. Yan. Gamit ang aming Canadian passports. Tulog ang ating Riley. Si Hailey, gising pa. Hailey, say hi.
Hi.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy's camera. Busy siya maglaro. Hi!
Hi.
Na-picturean na kami guys. Ito na. Next na kami. Pickup truck yung nasa unahan namin eh. 9:04. Hailey, turn it down na. Kasi ayun na yung pulis ha. Next na tayo. Turn it down a little bit, okay? Yan. Next na tayo. Ayun o. Si Riley. Baby ko, tulog ka pa. Ayun, chinecheck yung likod ng truck niya. Ah, di na binuksan.
Binuksan niya?
Ah,
Bumaba siya.
Ah, Matt? Ah, hindi ko nakita eh. Ba't umikot ulit?
Tinignan.
Ang bilis. Ayun na. Tayo na. Kami na. Pinalapit na kami.
Hello.
Hi,
Good
anything to
morning.
declare?
Morning.
Oh, no.
Nothing.
Where you guys going?
We're going to Seattle.
Why?
Visit a friend.
Visit a friend niya.
Did you put drop springs?
Coilovers.
Coilovers from who?
Not 10. Not 10.
Huh?
It's D2.
D2?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're a pretty good brand now. Remember they used to be cheap? They used to be cheap when they first came out. And now they're
Before.
like getting up there.
Yeah. But it's bad after 5 years.
I mean, they're all like that now.
Yeah.
Right?
If you don't maintain it. Yeah.
but they're rebuildable too, though, right?
Yeah.
You can send it back
But
and have them
yeah, in US.
in the US.
Yeah.
I had the 10 suspension on my 240,
Mhm.
and
Wow. You have 240.
well, I have to send it to. Well, actually, they have a U.S. office now that can do it. But back then, when I got it, like back in 2000, freaking was it 2002,
Uh-huh.
2003 when I got it?
How many years did it
Oh,
broke down? Like,
okay. So I stopped driving it after. It's been down for a while because I had engine problems. It went down in 2008, and it was still okay. I only used the car to go drifting.
oh yeah.
Thanks. I only
Nice.
used the car to go drifting, right? So it was good. Now the last time I checked it, it's seized. Like it's completely seized.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But I don't even know if Kane can still do anything because they don't even make that model anymore. They probably can.
Which brand? Paint?
10, yeah.
Better to get a set of new ones.
I think
We're going to
a Fortune 500.
we're going to car show
Yeah.
in Kent, Washington on Sunday. It's the Honda Fest.
Oh, is that what you're doing?
Yeah. But we're gonna stay on with our friends.
I was all Nissan before. All Nissan. All my cars were Nissan. Nissan trucks, Nissan SUV, 240SX,
240.
Altima. I have two 240s.
Oh.
Altima, everything. All my cars were Nissans. 2 years ago, I switched to Honda. I got Honda CRV, 2005 Honda CRV. I have a Honda
2025
Accord,
or 2005?
2005. And then a 2019 Honda Accord.
And now your car is, you're using right now?
Yeah, Accord and CRV.
Oh,
Oh.
I
nice.
completely switched from Nissan to Honda.
Why is that so?
Honda is Honda.
You know what? I used to drift, right? So
Yeah.
I that's why I had the 240s. And I love my Nissans. I think back then Nissans were easy to work on, right? I mean Hondas was easy to work on too, but back then
Yeah.
I found Nissan easy to work on. My mom had a 280ZX. My dad used to have the old 240Z. Yeah, so my whole family's always been Nissan. So I buy Nissan. And then the newer Nissans, terrible cars, right? The new Nissans, because Renault started putting their technology in Nissans, and European companies are not known for reliability, right? So then it was between Honda and Toyota, because I want something reliable, but I also want fun, right?
Yeah, Honda and
Yeah,
Toyota.
so then I went the Honda route. I found a 2019 Honda Accord. I love that car. It's a 2-liter. I love that car. And then I found I needed an SUV for the winter, so then I ended up buying
CRV.
the CRV.
Oh.
That's how.
Wow.
But yeah, I wish I could go to a Honda Fest too one day. Have a good day, St.
Yeah.
Charles.
You
Thank
too.
you. Thank you. Yeah. Bye-bye. We're good. We're here. 9:09.
Mommy.
Ang bait ng officer, guys. Ha? Oh, you can turn on the ano na.
Here.
Bakit
Ang ating sasakyan.
Nakita, sabi ko na matatanong ka na naman dyan eh.
1 mile.
Wala na tayong internet.
Now slow down.
Lane na tayo, guys. Lane Washington. Keep na natin ang... Ha? Ha? Sound. Ayun na, may sound na siya. Keep na natin ang passport. Sinilip lang niya kami dito, guys. Di naman niya napansin yung camera. Ano yung tunog na yun? Ah, may tren. US! Yehey! Bilis na ngayon tumawidan. Makikipag-chika-chikahan ka lang sa officer, no?
Chika na lang nila ako sa
Chika-chika na nasa sasakyan habang tawag dito, ini-scan nila yung passport namin kasi 4 kami.
Yun, nauna pa nga yung chika niya bago yung
Ayan, oh, tinanong na niya agad. Kaya, yeah, welcome to the US of A.
Empty road beneath the wheels. Dust wind steals a faded fields. Endless lines along the plain. Dark horizon stays the same. Radio hums low and thin. Lonely miles sink deep within. No sign, no light, no.
Nag-stop over kami, guys. Yan. Meron pa kami mga 1 hour something na drive. So, andito kami sa isang gas station. Maraming, dito, mga malalaking truck. Yan, mga nakapark sa labas. Tapos, ang laki ng convenience store nila. Andito lang sa tabi. And then, may tables and chairs din silang kainan. Yan, para siyang old school na convenience store. And, yan, meron sila ditong changing table for babies. Tapos, tinanong ko muna, kasi ako muna yung bumaba. Sabi ko, meron silang changing table. Meron daw dun sa washroom nga nila. Una kong pinalitan si Hailey. Tapos, nakita kami dun sa loob nung employee na babae. Sabi niya, oh, she's cute. Tapos, next naman, si Riley ang dinala ko. Pagkalabas naman namin at dumaan kami dun sa cashier area nila, sabi ng babae ulit, oh, you have another baby. Sabi ko, yes, she's 4 months old. Ayun, tinitignan nila si Riley. Gulat siguro siya, 2 yung pinalitan. May baby pang maliit. Ayan, si Riley, pinapa-breastfeed ko muna. And si Harold, yan siya naman ang nag-washroom. Ako tapos na rin ako mag-washroom. Yan, tas diretso na nga kami ng Tukwila. Doon na kami magla-lunch. And ang pupuntahan namin is Chowking. After 6 years, makakapag-Chowking. Yan. Hopefully, open na sila kasi 10:39 na ng umaga. Yan, tingnan natin kung anong menu.
16th Street
Ayun na si Harold. Ano, tapos na? You're done? Oh, tapos na yata ito. Jesus, ngiti-ngiti na siya. Ngiti-ngiti na. All done? All done na. Ano, nakapag-stretching na tayo.
Ha?
Stretching na. We're here! Okay, thank you Lord. After 3.5 hours, nakarating din kami. Seafood City, Chowking, may Red Ribbon, and Jollibee. Let's go! Ay, nakababa din ng kotse. Ito, yung isa ayaw magpahawak ko. Hindi, hold mami sand. Mainit guys, 24 degrees. Yan. Pasok tayo dito sa Seafood City. Uy, sige, there's lots of cars, oh. Yan. Wala kaming Seafood City sa Vancouver. You just hold mommy's hand. Oh, dali, dali. We're gonna go inside. Ayun na, sige na, go inside. Go. Okay. Oh, here. Dito. Dito, dito. Here. Okay. Seafood City. Let's go muna dito sa labas. Dito tayo. Dito ang ano. Meron silang ano, pera padalahan. PNB. Ayan, no? Philippine Airlines. So. Let's go. Let's go. So, choking na nga tayo. Sa labas yun, sa labas. Sa labas tayo, hindi. Go straight. Go straight. Sige na. Hold mommy, sand. Ayun yung choking, oh. Let's go choking, baby. Let's go choking. Go, go, go. Straight. Straight. Ayun, choking. Let's go choking. Here, no. Really, here, here, here. Dito. Oo, dito. Really? Ay, doon tayo sa choking. Muna. Ah, later si Jollibee. Katapat lang niya kasi Jollibee. Here, we're gonna eat choking first. Let's go. Ah, later, later si Jollibee. Dito na tayo sa choking. Namiss na mami at daddy to eh. Ano bang drinks dyan? May blackberry, ice cream. 2 entry laureate. Ayan, 37.49. Halo-halo guys. 7.99. Ah, thanks ate. Okay. There you go. Number 2.
Number 2.
Oh, may money. Huwag madumi,
Dirty,
Haiti.
dirty. Yung siopaw daw,
Nagbayad.
masarap.
Sino nagsabi ng siopaw?
Si Edwin, masarap daw.
Ah, oh, mamaya. Ito yung siopaw nila. O, pakita natin. Buy 6, get 1. Gusto, meron din silang choking dim sum to go. Sarap niyan, siopaw. Uy, may siomay din, oh. Yan. 23.94 siya. Ayan. Ito fresh. Siopaw. Wow, ang bilis ah. Wala pang 5 minutes to. Sige na. Kylie. Nakarating ka na naman ng US ah. Nakarating ka ng Tukwila. Ito, isi-share ko kay Hailey. Para ang in-order is yung ano ba to? Yung juice nila is yung lychee. Lychee fruit tea. Ay, wow! Picturean mo na han. Choking na after 6 years. Sa'yo 4 years lang. Sabak agad ah. kita kamay mo eh. Kita kamay mo. Nakarating ka niyang Chowking. Chowking to Uila. Ay sus, nakuha niya yung kanya pacifier. Naiinis. 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 Ha? Sa Hailey. Ayan guys, oh. Red Ribbon and then Jollibee. Tapat lang ng Chowking. And then may Daiso. Tapos ibang mga stores na dito. Eh. Katatapos lang namin mag-lunch. Riley! Wala akong nakita, ha? Kaya mo na. Riley! Ba? Meron po dito corner doon guys, oh. Ayan. Taas ng palitan ng US guys, 62.27.
Taas.
Ay, yun yung potato corner, oh. Ang laki ng potato corner nila dito, ah. Fairness, busog kami.
Dapat pala meron din ako
Sarap
dito.
or
Eh.
yata. Alin? Hi, Lily.
If you want-
Wave. Lily, wave. Wave, hi.
Wait, don't.
Water to. Oh, ba't na? 8:4:15.
Daddy, Mommy,
Wow!
that's that cake.
Which one?
That's that cake. Mommy's cake.
Ay, ang cute ng ube plan nila, oh. Customized.
That's that
What's that?
cake.
Triple chocolate.
That's that.
Ube overload.
That's that.
May batang nakapag-ice cream na. Napagbigyan na. $4.50 sa ice cream. Napalta na naman namin sila guys. Malawang palit na. Dito tayo sa Seafood City. Tingnan natin ang kanilang tinda. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi guys at busy na kami dito sa pinagstayan namin. May clip na lang kaming insert. Yung nag-wild berry picking kami sa backyard nila. Enjoy si Hailey. Ako din, ang tamis na ano, di ba? Na wild berryhan. Over the bakod lang. Ayan. Ang saya. Nag-barbecue kami and steak night. May kalaro si Hailey si Leon.
Head towards
Ayan.
33rd place southwest.
Mahal niyan, ha? $20 na yan. Yung mga nakikita mo na yung
I
mahigit.
know. Oh.
Ba?
Oh my. Ay. What's that? Wild berries? Wow! Grabe oh. Ayun oh. Wild berries daw ang tawag.
Yung pinaking natin.
Ah, blueberry. Blueberry. Yan, nagpicking din kami blueberry. Yun no, nasa backyard lang oh. First time. Hili ka na si? Wow, yummy? You like it? Oh, come on. Which one?
Nakataas.
Pick ka dyan. This one?
Hindi siya, ano.
Wow! Oh.
Magana?
Show mommy.
Oh.
Ay, yummy!
Saka may ano, may ventilation.
Ayan oh. Wild berries. Dito lang sa backyard.
Yung wood na yun, hindi yan.
Pili tayo ng malambot na. Matamis siya eh. Yeah. Yan oh. Diretso na yan. Ito. Oh. Yummy. Yummy.
Saka yung drywall.
More? More pa daw.
Hindi. Hindi, yung